Hey, did you know that there is official Miss Universe app? So just tap Get to install it, double click to install it. Yeah, you can follow vote your favorite delegate into top 21 and the 69th Miss Universe competition. Read delegate bios, view exclusive content, and learn more about this year's competition. Keep up to date on the latest Miss Universe news and developments. Follow your favorite delegates and be notified when they post to the app. Learn about Miss Universe sponsors. So yeah, that's the idea. Vote for your favorite delegate. Get the latest news. So that's the app. Yeah, it's quite convenient to do things in the app instead of just browsing the website. Yeah, if you're fan of this show, that's how you can go and see the delegates and then see all the different countries, and then you can just vote. You can see all the details, and then there is vote button, and then the vote ends in 1 day, and then yeah, you just need to follow the things, and then there is also the shop here, which you can shop some things from the Runway collection, and yeah, so that's the idea. So that's that.